So let's say you've made a sound. It sounds great, but it's a bit messy. You used LFO to automate a bunch of things, but after you've added a few effects, it started to sound weird. A quick and easy way to get your sound back to normal is modulating the global volume, which will affect your entire sound. Global amp, effects, LFOs, and wavetables. That's an order which represents which part of the Serum affects other things. So go to Matrix panel. Here you have all the assigned automations, the type, the amount of the modulation that you can tweak whenever you want. Let's then create a new one. As the modulator, we are gonna choose one of the LFOs. Probably that's gonna be your main LFO, maybe that one you use to automate the volume of the oscillators or filter cutoff, wavetable position, whatever. And as the thing to modulate, we are gonna go to the global and then amp, which stands for the global amplitude. Now we are gonna simply set the type to that option, which is the starting point of our automation, and in this case it's gonna start in the middle. And listen to the difference. If that effect is not too much for you, you can repeat that process as many times as you want. And that's all for the video. For more quick tips, please subscribe to Oversampled channel and stay tuned.